do I shop to keep food cheap? Today I'm going to be breaking down everywhere that I go food shopping to make sure my grocery bill is as cheap as possible. Hello, my name is Oliver and today is day 8 of uploading 100 days in a row, and today I'm going to be telling you exactly where I go food shopping to get the cheapest food, because at this time of year and just in general, everybody struggles with finances and there is so many options out there that people don't necessarily realise how to get the cheapest food. So we're going to be starting off with the shops of where I go, and I'm going to start off with a very stereotypical one which everyone knows. Number one, that's Tesco's. A lot of people wouldn't actually suspect Tesco's. Why aren't I suggesting Aldi or Lidl? In fact, I don't actually shop at Aldi or Lidl. I go to Tesco's. Why? Well, Tesco's is one of the shops that I go to, and it is amazing sometimes the deals you can find, especially when you get the little yellow stickers on them. Sometimes you can get loaves of bread for like 10p there. Things I can get that I can freeze, absolutely amazing. Yeah, sure, understandably, they have a lot of Aldi price match stuff and Lidl price match, which is great. Obviously, you can just go shop at those shops, but I feel personally that at Tesco's, they reduce the price a lot more than they do at those shops where there's usually about a 30% reduction. But Tesco's isn't the only shop I shop at, with number 2 being a shop called Farm Foods. Not everyone goes to Farm Foods. Farm Foods is mainly known for frozen stuff. Now, I don't just go there for frozen stuff. They have a lot of other stuff in Farm Foods as well. It's a great shop to shop at, to be honest with you. You can get some amazing deals. You can bulk buy stuff if you've got the money to go and bulk buy things rather than having to get lots of little bits. Bulk buying is always worth doing. Now, Farm Foods is a great location for that. If you've got children and you want to buy fizzy drinks or anything like that, again, Farm Foods is a great place for that. If you want to get desserts, ice cream, things like that, again, you can get some amazing deals. I've genuinely bought like Ben & Jerry's there for 99p. You can really get some good cheap stuff there. But that isn't the cheapest shop I shop at. It's one of the shops I shop at, but it isn't the cheapest. Oh no. Where else do I shop? Well, I actually do shop at Marks & Spencer's. Marks & Spencer's, out of all places. Isn't that for the rich people? To be honest with you, it's cheaper than Waitrose. Waitrose is just a high-class Tesco, so I don't really shop at Waitrose. There isn't one in my area anyway, and the only times I go there is to get waffles if I'm staying in a hotel near to one. But Marks & Spencer's, again, you can get some amazing deals there. I like to get my frozen fruit sometimes from Marks & Spencer's. That's always a good place to go get that because I like making protein smoothies and just smoothies in general. So I like to get those sorts of things at Marks & Spencer's. So where is the main shop which is good on price and in fact gives free stuff away? Oh, it is one of the best shops ever. It is also a membership shop. It's a free membership shop, especially for people with very, very, very little income. Oh yeah. So there's this lovely company in the UK called Company Shop. I don't know if you know it, but there's one a few miles up the road from me, down south in South England. I know there's one in Southampton, but I don't think there's anywhere from there to Brighton that has a Company Shop. Company Shop is a reseller of food, and you get all the bulk stuff. So when Tesco's order too much stuff in or have too much to sell, it will go there. But it's not just Tesco's, it's also Waitrose, M&S, Morrison's, Cooperative, everywhere like that. And you can get some astounding deals. So for instance, my yogurts, they're free. I get them for free there. How do I get yogurts for free there? Because when things are going out of date that day, they're free. Yeah, they're free. I'm amazed they're free as well. Why don't they just like slash the price? I don't know, they're free. I got protein drinks in the fridge at the moment from there. 30p each I paid. I got 2 kilos of cheese, of grated mozzarella. £1.80. It is absolutely amazing the deals you can get at Company Shop. You can buy 10 kilos of potatoes for next to nothing if you really want to as well. Now, they're not the biggest shops. They're not like massive warehouses like Costco or anything like that. But you can get some astounding deals there. They sell drinks, food, alcohol. Alcohol's an amazing one. Okay, don't recommend drinking, obviously. But I did buy a bottle of gin from there for, I think it was like £4. I mean, it's like 25 quid in the shop. There's some stuff genuinely that you see there which is like a fraction of the cost. Now, they do have a big meat selection. I'm a vegetarian personally, but I do always gander at the prices to see what sort of things they are in comparison to other shops. I've seen bacon there bacon, which would be like £5 for the amount of it is, 50p. I've seen bags of chicken for literally full chickens for like £3. It's absolutely astonishing. Now Tesco's is great, obviously. Tesco's is great for the yellow sticker deals. It's great to get like the main necessities. I get my washing up liquid and my fabric softener from Tesco's because they're actually really good price there. But company shop to get like the random necessities that you need, like meat. I mean, they do bread there. I actually got loaves of bread there not long ago for really, really cheap. In fact, I don't think I've ever spent more than £10 there. We went there once, me and my mum did, and we got these packs of noodles for 5p. I can't remember what brand they were. They're a well-known brand, not pot noodles. I've never had one of those, but they're these noodles. They're in like yellow packets. They're 5p a packet for noodles. Absolutely crazy. I've got olives there for like 7p in the past. Great shop. So, just to go through everything, Tesco's is great for like main essentials and yellow sticker stuff. Again, my fabric softener, for instance, I get for like £1.60 in Tesco's, so that's great. My washing machine liquid stuff I get for not much different in price there, so that's where I go to Tesco's there. I go to Marks and Spencer's for just like the random little bits, like frozen fruit and veg is always good to get there. Get a lot of frozen stuff to freeze because things last longer when they're in the freezer, obviously. You can also get some really good peppers there. I cannot stress that enough. I get these mammoth peppers at Marks and Spencer's, and they're good quality peppers as well. They do some good quality fruit and vegetables at Marks and Spencer, so I do definitely recommend their farm foods. Absolutely great for like your desserts, your frozen stuff. They have a good corn selection actually. As a vegetarian, I eat corn stuff. Corn, I can get things like these massive family packs sometimes for like £1.99, whereas in Tesco's they're what, £4? So farm foods is always great for that sort of stuff. Company shop, again, amazing for getting free stuff, free yogurts, getting really, really cheap stuff. Awesome. It's a lot of branded stuff. I have to stress that. So they have a lot of brands there. It's not the value range of stuff usually, but you can get some amazing stuff there. You can get toilet paper there, like packs of 36 for like £3. Again, farm foods is really good for toilet paper and kitchen roll as well. But there is actually one other shop that I do like to go to, which people might be surprised about. And that is, specifically, if we're not dumpster diving at the back of Waitrose on a Sunday, specifically on a Sunday, it is Cooperative. I love going to Cooperative. Cooperative food is a great shop. When I lived at my granddad's for a bit, I used to go to Co-op all the time. I used to get pots of like soup for 25p, and every now and again I do still go to Cooperative on a Sunday. They like to really reduce their prices, especially just before they close, and that is always amazing to get some stuff there. So that is where I shop. I go to 5 different places for shopping, and I honestly, if I just did everything at, for instance, Asda, I'd be ripped off. I'd be completely ripped off. My bill would be a massive difference in cost. As I said, I've never spent even more than £10 in a company shop, and I walk out with 2 bags. Now, if you are interested in company shop, this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. Just, you go there, tell them your situation. You might have to prove some financial stuff, and you get a card, and they take your photo, and your photo's on a card. You can also nominate someone to have a card, so a guest. So if you get one and your friend doesn't, or your relative doesn't, you can always get them access to the shop. So it's always good to use the shop like that. Being able to get as many deals as possible is the best thing anyone can possibly do. And supporting kids is not cheap. Oh, there's another thing. I like getting my pasta at Tesco's. I buy these massive bags, sometimes I think like 5 kilos for like £3. So I can get those big bags of pasta at Tesco's. There are some really good deals about. You just got to shop about. If you're prepared to just not stick to Asda, Lidl, or anywhere like that, and you're able to shop around, if you've got a car or some shops are nearby, definitely go around. Oh, I've started getting dishwasher tablets from Sainsbury's. Seems to be alright. Can't really complain. I've had to cut down in the standards of some things because of just the price of the way of the world, but I love living cheap and I love spending as little money as possible. Yes, even doing all of this, I'm spending a lot more money than I was 5 years ago, but aren't we all? Absolutely, absolutely. Oh, and one last thing. If you need cheap fuel, so petrol or diesel, get yourself a limited company. Go start yourself a limited company or somehow be on the books of a limited company because it's cheaper that way. Go to Costco, get yourself a membership for like £26. They do individual memberships, but they're more money. And Costco do have petrol stations where things are a lot cheaper. Again, you can buy massive bulks in Costco of stuff, but the fuel station, sometimes 20p a litre cheaper. I am not exaggerating, it is genuinely like that. So yeah, go check all those places out. I really do hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If I haven't said a specific place that you shop at, which is amazing, let me know in the comments below, because honestly, I would really like to know. I've just told you where I go, where I shop about. I'm sure there's other amazing places that I'm not aware of, and I would absolutely love to try them. Adios, my Miss Amigos. I shall see you guys all soon. Goodbye for now.